Alright guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to share my top 5 features of the OnePlus 6 after this. Alright, welcome back. So on this channel I do a lot of unboxings, tutorials, my top 5 features. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing by hitting the red button down below. Alright, so my first feature, I'm going to have to give it to the screen size of the phone.
So I was actually quite shocked to see how big the phone actually feels with the large edge-to-edge screen on the OnePlus 6. So the OnePlus 6 is the same form factor as the OnePlus 5 or the 5T, but what makes the phone look bigger is the edge-to-edge display. Here is the interesting part about the actual size of the phone. The actual size and dimensions of the OnePlus 5T are 6.5 by 2.95 by 0.29 inches. But when you look at it from the OnePlus 6, it's 6.3 times 2.97 times 0.31 inches. Also keep in mind that the resolution for the two phones are pretty similar. The resolution for the OnePlus 5T was 1080p times 2160 pixels with a pixel density of 401. However, with the OnePlus 6, the resolution is 1080 by 2280 with a pixel density of 402 pixels per square inch.
So my second feature will have to be the landscape mode on the phone.
So my second feature for this phone would have to go to how OnePlus has adapted to the notch and how it disappears once you place the phone in landscape mode. It's a huge step up from the iPhone X, and I really hope Apple learns from OnePlus and changes it, because if you place your iPhone in the landscape mode, what happens is your notch is quite visible. And at times what happens is if I'm watching a video and I put my phone in landscape mode, it actually cuts portions of my video. Yes, you have the option to shrink the screen resolution, but then again, the video also becomes too small.
For my third feature, I'm choosing the camera system.
My third feature that I love about this phone is the fact that the camera on this phone is absolutely excellent. It has a dual camera system, so not only are you able to take clean and crisp photos, but also portrait mode is pretty cool, because not only does it take excellent photo of people in general, but I've noticed that with any objects such as food items or any products of any kind, the bokeh effect is quite similar, if not better, than the other smartphones. When comparing it to the iPhone X, I kind of have to place the product a little further apart, and sometimes it's longer than an arm's length. Now with the OnePlus 6, it's very easy to do that. I don't really have to move my objects that far back.
For my fourth feature, I'm going to go with the dash charge.
So my fourth feature that I love about this phone will have to go to the dash charging portion. I know dash charging has been around for a very long time, ever since OnePlus announced it a couple of years back, but the amount that you can initially charge is substantial for a short period of time. But please keep in mind that if you want to do a full 100% charge of your phone, it may take the same time as any other flagship phone. What OnePlus has designed to do is to do a really fast charge up to 60 to 80% is what I've noticed, and then from 80 to 100% it's almost the same charge as the Galaxy S9, the iPhone X, and even the Pixel 2.
For my fifth feature, I'm going to go with the 8GB RAM on this phone.
So for my last feature and the fifth feature for the phone that I really like will have to go to the speed of the phone. OnePlus has always been proud of the fact that their phone is the fastest phone on the market, and it's quite true with the OnePlus 6 to this day, because it's the only phone out there with 8GB of RAM, or technically up to 8GB of RAM. And I know what you may be thinking, that 8GB of RAM is a lot and you may not utilize it, but in reality it doesn't matter if you're a video gamer, but if you are running several apps in the background, that 8GB of RAM comes in handy, because what it does, it prevents your phone to be laggy when you're running multiple high-intensity apps in the background. And which is why this is one of my top 5 features of this phone, because what it does, it shows me that this phone will be able to run graphic-intense apps in the future for a very long time. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and don't forget to leave a comment letting me know what you think about this device. If you have the device, let me know what your top 5 features are in the comment section down below. As always, thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye.